Coffee lovers know that the brewing process can make or break your morning cup of joe. For those who appreciate a rich, flavorful brew, French press method has been a go-to for decades. This Bodum 34 ounces Chambord French press coffee maker is a standout choice for those who want to combine timeless design with exceptional coffee quality. If you're looking for a coffee maker that brings elegance and functionality together, this review will help you decide if the Bodum Chambord is the right fit for your kitchen. The Bodum Chambord French press coffee maker is not just a coffee maker. It's a piece of history. Originally designed in the 1950s, this coffee maker was created to honor the iconic Château de Chambord in France. Even today, Bodum continues to produce the Chambord with the same dedication to craftsmanship and quality. Every detail of this coffee maker reflects the brand's commitment to excellence. What sets the Chambord apart is its polished stainless steel frame and lid. Undergo a multi-step chrome plating process. This ensures that the surface remains shiny and resistant to wear and tear, even after years of use. The high-heat borosilicate glass carafe is another highlight. Known for its durability and resistance to thermal shock, this glass is designed to withstand the high temperatures needed for brewing coffee. With its combination of polished metal and glass, the Chambord is a striking addition to any kitchen. But Bodum doesn't just focus on aesthetics. Their modern production process emphasizes environmentally friendly practices, particularly during the chrome plating process. By choosing the Chambord, you're not only investing in a high-quality coffee maker, but also supporting a brand that prioritizes sustainability. Why choose a French press over other brewing methods? French press is one of the simplest and most effective ways to extract the full flavor of your coffee bean. Unlike drip coffee makers, which often use paper filters that absorb the coffee's natural oils, French press allows these oils to remain in your brew, resulting in a richer and more complex flavor. The Bodum Chambord is designed to make the French press process as easy as possible. Start by adding fresh, coarsely ground coffee beans to the carafe. Then pour hot water over the grounds, ideally between 92 and 96 degrees Celsius, and let it steep for about 4 minutes. Finally, press down the stainless steel plunger, which features a multi-layered filter system, to ensure that your coffee grounds are separated from your drink. The result is a smooth, bold cup of coffee that highlights the best flavors of your bean. Whether you prefer a strong espresso-like brew or a lighter cup of coffee, the Bodum Chambord allows you to customize your coffee to your exact preference. Just adjust the amount of coffee and water you use and experiment with different steeping times. Find your perfect cup. The design of the Bodum Chambord isn't just about looks. It's also about functionality. The black matte polypropylene handle provides a comfortable grip while serving, ensuring that you can pour your coffee with ease. The classic design of the handle also adds to the overall aesthetic of the coffee maker, making it a timeless piece that will never go out of style. One important note: while the glass carafe, plunger, and filter are dishwasher safe, the frame and lid should be hand-washed with a non-abrasive sponge to maintain their shiny finish. This small extra step is well worth it to keep your Chambord looking as stunning as the day you bought it. There's something incredibly satisfying about brewing your own coffee at home. With the Bodum Chambord, you're not just making a cup of coffee. You're creating an experience. The process of watching the coffee grounds bloom and infuse in the water is almost meditative, and the end result? A rich, aromatic cup of coffee that you can savor every morning. Brewing your own coffee at home also saves you time and money. Instead of running out to your local coffee shop every day, you can enjoy barista-quality coffee from the comfort of your kitchen. And with the Bodum Chambord's large 34 ounces capacity, you can brew enough coffee for yourself and your loved ones in one go. If you're someone who cares about sustainability, the Bodum Chambord French press coffee maker is a fantastic option. Unlike single-use coffee pods or paper filters, the Chambord uses a stainless steel filter that you can use again and again. This reduces waste and helps you lower your environmental footprint. Plus, by avoiding disposable coffee pods and filters, you'll save money in the long run. The high-quality materials used in the Bodum Chambord are also built to last. With proper care, this French press will serve you for many years, making it a cost-effective choice for any coffee lover. Final verdict? Is the Bodum Chambord right for you? The Bodum 34 ounces Chambord French press coffee maker is perfect for anyone who values both design and performance. Its timeless aesthetic, combined with exceptional brewing capabilities, makes it a standout in the world of coffee makers. Whether you're new to the French press method or a seasoned pro, the Chambord will help you brew delicious coffee with ease. Ready to upgrade your coffee game? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. And bring the Bodum Chambord French press coffee maker into your home. Elevate your mornings with a coffee maker that combines style, sustainability, and the perfect brew. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.